In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet under $50 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GAOMON S620 Graphic Tablet. The GAOMON S620 6.5 by 4-inch digital graphic tablet is a versatile device suitable for drawing, painting, and gaming, including playing OSU. It supports Android, Windows, and Mac OS, and does not require a driver installation on Android devices. The battery-free stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity for precise control and accuracy. With an active area of 6.5 by 4 inches, the tablet is portable and lightweight, making it convenient for various activities. It features programmable express keys for customized functions and is compatible with various drawing software. The package includes the tablet, digital pen, micro USB wire, pen nibs, quick start guide, and Type-C OTG adapter. Additionally, GAOMON offers a range of accessories and products for digital art creation and productivity enhancement. Number 2. XPPen Deco M Drawing Tablets. The new Deco drawing tablet with the X3 chip stylus offers innovative features designed to enhance the drawing experience. The X3 Smart Chip stylus provides sharp, stable, and precise drawing capabilities, with features such as 3 grams initial activation force and 10-fold increase in sensitivity for immediate responses. The tablet is equipped with a battery-free stylus that detects up to 8,192 pressure levels and 60 degrees of tilt, along with Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity and a 1000 mAh super power capacity for extended use. The device supports both wired and wireless connections, with a USB-C connection and Bluetooth version 5.0 and 2.4 GHz wireless options. It comes in 4 vibrant colors and features an easy-to-carry design with an 8-inch by 5-inch work area and 8 shortcut keys for enhanced productivity. Compatible with various operating systems and digital art software, the Deco drawing tablet offers a versatile and convenient solution for artists and creators. Number 3. XPPen Artist Pro. The protective film for Artist Pro 16 is a high-quality acrylic film designed to protect the screen of the XPPen Artist Pro 16 pen tablet monitor. Made in mainland China, this protective film ensures that the screen remains free from scratches and damage, while still allowing for easy use of the tablet. This product is specifically designed for the Artist Pro 16 model and comes packaged with all necessary materials for installation. Number 4. XPPen Deco 01 Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Deco 01 V2 drawing tablet is a versatile and professional digital drawing tool suitable for artists, designers, educators, and more. With a large 10 by 6.25-inch working area and 8 shortcut keys, the tablet provides ample space for creativity and efficient workflow. It supports simultaneous digital inking with various software like Microsoft Office apps, making it ideal for distance learning and online meetings. Additionally, the tablet offers compatibility with Android devices, various drawing apps, and major designer software. The battery-free stylus with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt brush effect, and free rotation feature enhances the natural drawing experience. The package includes essential accessories like a pen tablet, passive pen, replacement nibs, pen stand, and USB cables. Carrying a slim 8mm body, the Deco 01 V2 is lightweight and portable. Overall, this graphics tablet offers reliability, compatibility, and functionality for creative individuals in various fields. Number 5. VEIKK 640 Drawing Tablet. The VEIKK 640 Drawing Tablet is a portable and compact device with a 6 by 4-inch working area, making it ideal for drawing and playing on the go. It is lightweight and thin, easily fitting into a bag for convenience. The tablet features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 6 customizable shortcut keys for enhanced efficiency. With ±60-degree tilt functionality, the digital stylus can emulate natural drawing movements like a real pencil. The tablet is compatible with various operating systems and design software, making it versatile for different creative tasks such as drawing, painting, sketching, and playing OSU games. Additionally, VEIKK offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support for the tablet. The product comes with a pen tablet, passive pen, pen case, extra pen nibs, OTG connectors, an art glove, pen nib clip, and a quick start guide.